Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to take off and land with an RC helicopter. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you have a remote controlled helicopter, whether it's a 2-channel one or a 3-channel one just like this, taking off and landing with it is a fairly simple process. It will take some practice, but I'm going to show you how to learn how to do it rather easily. Let's get right into the video. First and foremost, I'm going to be pairing up the helicopter with the remote and starting it in a moment, but I just want to show you what to do first with the helicopter off, and then I'll show you how it looks with it on, okay? Now to take off, okay, you want to make sure it's paired up. You're going to bring your up and down joystick. So there's going to be one joystick that goes up and down. In this case, it's a 3-channel helicopter. So this one goes up and down. The one that controls the elevation. So this one goes up and down, and this one can go in any direction. If you have a 4-channel helicopter, then you're going to have this one going in every direction as well. But one joystick, usually the left one, will control the elevation. So you're going to push your elevation joystick up. And to take off, you're not going to go like this, because that's going to be pretty bad. What you're going to do is you're going to slowly increase the speed until you get the acceleration for the elevation that you want. So slowly bring it up higher and higher, and then you're not going to go all the way to the top because then it's going to keep rising up. When you're just learning, you're going to stop, when it's just hovering. You want it to hover low just in case you lose control of it. It's going to be low to the ground. Okay, it's only going to sort of fall or drop down when it's low to the ground. So just bring it up just a little bit and then hover it for a bit and bring it back down to land it. Now, when you land it, you're not going like that. You're slowly bringing it down. So bring it up slowly, bring it down slowly, okay? And you can control the helicopter with the other joystick, but for the most part, we're just barely going to be touching this just to sort of keep it in a position where we can control it. So I'm going to move it a little bit further back. I'm going to turn it on right over here, okay? And I'm going to turn the remote on. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to pair it up. So to pair it up, I go up, down with this one. We're good to go. We're paired. So as you can see, I'm going to try and keep it in the camera's frame. I'm mainly using the left stick. Okay. I'm going to stop. Now it's it's off balance, so it's going a little bit far forward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it back to the view. So I'm barely using the right stick, but as you can see, I'm hovering it low. I'm going up and down, bouncing it up and down. Just like that. So I'm hovering it really low. You see? When I'm ready, I can bring it up higher now. Okay? I'm just going in circles. Mainly the left stick I'm using. Okay? Higher. When you're comfortable, you bring it higher. The battery's running low on this over here. I apologize. Okay, I'm going to bring it back into the camera. Give me a moment here. I'm trying to use mainly the left stick. You can go higher if you want. And now you can see we're really hovering it. When we're ready to land, we slowly bring it down. You want to get it close to the ground, and then you can drop it down. Now, that was a rough landing because I'm trying to keep it in the camera frame here. So I'll show you how to land it. Give me 1 sec. Let's bring it forward here. There we go. Slowly bring it down. And when you're hovering on the ground, you can cut the engine like that, okay? Cut the motor, I should say. Stop the power from going to the blades. So you can bring it up. Practice with it up. Don't go too high. And you can see what I'm doing with my left joystick. I'm just hovering it low. And when you're ready to land, you hover just an inch over the ground, as you can see, and you land it. We landed behind the cooler over there. Let's bring it forward here. Let's get it out of there. There we go. There we go. That's it. That is how to learn how to take off. You can see we're taking off, and we're ready to land. You hover it, and you go. That's it. It's that simple. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.